Good morning, children. Today, this morning, 11th at 11:30 a.m., I am with Dr. Bhargava, S.C. Bhargava, sir. So, the most interesting thing I found this morning is that, I used to tell all of you about my Walls radio. So, suddenly, Dr. Bhargava mentioned to me, and, there's a valve amplifier here. So, this valve amplifier, he made it on himself in the year 1960. Say here is a speaker. So output of this power amplifier is fed to this to drive this 50 watt to 100 watt loudspeaker to convert the electrical energy into audio sound. Okay. So for that the source is here. So it's a gramophone system. Record changer. So the LP ones and all that, the original one invented by Little Al, the Thomas Alva edition at USA. So the output of this plate is fed as a preamp signal at 1 volt peak to peak is to this power amplifier to power up the electric preamp signal to few watts, maybe 50 watts to that level. So that amplified output is fed to this loudspeaker. And now we are going to see the demonstration by the historic demonstration by Dr. Bhargava. See, he is lighting up with one LED torch so that we can see all that. See, he is putting the plate on it. How historic thing we are going to experience now. Now the plate is started moving. See?
How do you like Mr. Srinivas?
Excellent sound quality.
And you can control the tone and everything. Absolutely. There is a volume control.
Yes, sir.
There is a power indicator. And there is a tone control there. You are my friend.
You made my life, sir. This one is my dream. In my childhood, in 70, I used to think.
So there is a diode rectifier and there is a two-stage amplifier. RC coupled amplifier.
RC coupled amplifier. In 60 you made it, sir.
In 1960. When I was in engineering college, second year.
Second year. How passionate you are. How passionate you are, sir. So all the time I'm thinking you are my electrical guru. But you are, now today you made me understand as an electronic guru.
No, that is my tinkering hobby. That's all.
Tinkering hobby. How much tinkering this nation needs with the great Dr. Really. Dear children, this is your scientific friend Srinivas. So today I am here with Dr. Bhargava's place. Dr. S.C. Bhargava has prepared this while he is studying his second year engineering in 1960. This is valve operated power amplifier with a power of 100 watts. So this is a loudspeaker connected to the power amplifier, and then see the gramophone is getting played here. So the tracks are the needle, the way it is moving in the tracks, and then from there the output, the signal, audio signal is picked up and then sent to this power amplifier, and then that's where you are able to get this. Here, how beautiful tinkering it is. See, this is invented by Thomas Alva edition. This is a auto changer also, the gramophone records. Okay, and we are with Dr. Bhargava's home at Hyderabad. Okay, so we are fortunate children. I wish Dr. Bhargava will bless you all to become such kind of great thinkers of the universe. Okay. So Dr. Bhargava, so your few words to the scientific community. So Dr. Be innovative. Yeah.
Be enthusiastic.
Yeah. So with this great message, I thank Dr. Bhargava for giving me this great opportunity to show you all his his childhood engineering time tinkering. Okay. So happy. Along with Mr. Murthy from ISRO, our scientific students member. So, okay, we'll meet you again with such a great historic people with Dr. Bhargava's blessings with all of us. Okay, thank you.